We're back with breaking updates coming in. Amritpal's NSA detention has been extended by a year, and the Congress party has hit out on the MP's behalf. The Punjab government had extended the detention of the newly elected MP and the jailed pro-Khalistan preacher Amritpal Singh under the National Security Act for a year. My colleague Amandeep joining us on the broadcast. Amandeep, detention being extended for a year, but the Congress party has now hit out on Amritpal's behalf. What is the party saying?
Well, absolutely. And the Home Department of Punjab has extended the detention of Amritpal Singh under National Security Act. But simultaneously, Congress leader Sukhpal Singh Khera has raised the question over Aam Aadmi Party government's decision for extending the detention of NSA of Amritpal Singh. And Sukhpal Singh Khera is saying that instead of accepting the people's verdict, Aam Aadmi Party government and Bhagwant Mann has decided to extend his detention under NSA. And in fact, they should respect the mandate of the people, as he is now an elected Lok Sabha member of Parliament. And in fact, Khera has also seeks his release with the immediate effect from the Bhagwant Mann government. But simultaneously, Bhagwant Mann government has extended on the basis of the FIR that was registered in Dibrugarh jail against Amritpal Singh and his aides for the recovery of electronic devices inside the jail. And in fact, after getting the inputs from certain agencies, Home Department of Punjab government has extended the detention of Amritpal Singh till April 2025. So now elected MP from Khadur Sahib Amritpal Singh will remain behind the bars till 2025 April also. But simultaneously, Congress leader is saying and questioning Aam Aadmi Party's government decision regarding the extension of detention of Amritpal. Yes, Pratibha.
Okay, all right. So speaking on behalf of Amritpal Singh, he has been elected, yes, but the Punjab government has extended the detention of Amritpal Singh. This is under the National Security Act. The Congress party now speaking on his behalf and hitting out at the Punjab government. And interestingly, the India bloc allies are together, and yet we are seeing the Congress party raising these questions. My colleague Swati is also joining us on the broadcast. Swati, the Congress party hitting out at the Punjab government.
Absolutely. In fact, we have a reaction from Sukhpal Singh Khera, who's calling this extension vendetta against Amritpal. Is calling it a vindictive action. Let me take you through the post. It says, and I quote, instead of respecting people's verdict and releasing Bhai Amritpal Singh and others from Dibrugarh jail, I have learned Bhagwant Mann government has further extended draconian NSA detention without assigning valid reasons. I severely condemn this vindictive action of Bhagwant Mann and Arvind Kejriwal and seek their early release. So he's demanding the release of Amritpal and others. He says this extension is vindictive.
Okay, all right. Thank you for joining us. In fact,